So I'm going to introduce you to Biteable. Biteable is an online application where you can build some very professional looking and very simple to build presentation videos. So you can sign up through Google or you can log in through Google. I already have an account, so I'm going to just log in with my Google account and it'll bring you to a homepage where it'll list your videos you've already done, or you can go ahead and create a new one. From there, it kind of gives you templates. If you want an explainer video, if you want advertising, if you want a presentation, um, all of them just have different templates in there. And of course, you can start from scratch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to go ahead and select it now. And what you'll come up with is the editing screen. Down at the bottom, you see all the slides that are going to go. And then you would just type in your information for each of these slides. You also have this big plus button. The plus opens up different scenes you can choose. You can sort these scenes from animation or the footage, or you can upload your own picture. Uploading pictures, you can do it where it's just the full screen with possible text in it, or you can do it where it's an animated it's an animated video with your photo within it. The stock footage, this is a premium feature, but they have a lot of stuff that's available freely. You can also browse by category. So if you want specifically stuff about money, these are different clips that they have with money as a theme to it. So, and you can also see that these animations are full-on animations. They're not a static photo. So I'm going to go ahead and I want something about technology. I like this little guy typing on his desk. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And you'll see it ends up right in here. And then you'll do this exact same thing where you're going to go ahead and enter the text. So I'm going to take a moment, pause the video so that I can kind of start to enter some text so you can see the next steps. So I've gone ahead and went ahead and added different slides as well as put in the information I wanted to have. And I wanted to show you a few other quick things that you might need to know. One of them is how to move slides within the timeline. So if I wanted this slide all the way at the end, I would just click it, drag it all the way over there, and drop it into the timeline. Other things that you might want to do is delete a slide. And that would simply be when you hover over it or you click on it, you'll see these three dots. You can click on that and you can delete it. You could also duplicate it or switch the scene. Switching the scene just means you've already inputted text and you just want to change out the background. But I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. And one last thing that I'm sure people need to know about is if you have a slide that's going to go ahead and need a picture put in, you'll have this option here to drag and drop a file or to click to upload. I'm actually going to use a file from my Google Drive. And how about this one? I like this picture, so we'll go ahead and use this one. It'll take a second to load it into the program. And we'll go ahead and save that. And that's pretty much it for building your timeline. Next thing you're going to do, you can either use this tabs up at the top, or you can simply, when you're at your last slide, go ahead and save and next, and it'll take you to it. You're going to add your colors. So you can choose color palettes that they've already set out for you. It'll give you a preview here so you can make sure that the colors read correctly, or you can do custom colors. So if I wanted to say do pile colors with black and red, all my little animations in there will turn into this color scheme. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that because I do like that. Next is audio. Audio goes ahead and you have these different options to pull from. So I like, let's see. I like happy and simple, so I'm going to just go ahead and select that. You'll see this turns green here. And you're just going to go ahead and click next to preview your video. Now, building the video takes some time. Usually it takes less time than it tells you it's going to do here. And it does send you an email when it is done. That email will go to whatever account you signed up in. So if you used your Google account to sign into, you need to make sure you're looking at your Google email in order to access it. But I'm going to go ahead and pause my video here so you don't have to watch it render. All right, so now I've gone ahead and got my email that says that my video is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and click on the link so you can see what your options are from there. And there are some options. So you can, of course, change the title. I'm going to go and say Media Center here. You can get the embed code if you're going to have it put onto a website somewhere. You can just share it via Facebook and Twitter, but you can also, on this side, go straight to YouTube, or you can just get the link that'll take you right here within Biteable. But I'm going to go ahead and put mine up on YouTube, and it gets submitted to YouTube, and then YouTube will let me know when it is fully rendered on YouTube, and then I can go ahead and share it from there. And that's about it. Again, it is pretty easy to use. It only took me about 15 minutes to put it together, the video, and it's a great resource. So I'm going to upload this video of the screencast of me doing this, as well as the video presentation itself, so you can go ahead and take a look and see what the final product looks like. All right, thank you.